Emily the Enchanted Teacher. In Miss Taylor's classroom, Emily sat at her desk, dreaming of becoming a teacher someday. As she organized her perfectly sharpened pencils, a gentle breeze ruffled her papers, drawing her attention to a glowing portal that had appeared beside the classroom library. Curious and excited, Emily stepped through and found herself in an extraordinary classroom filled with tiny children floating around in confusion. The classroom was unlike anything Emily had ever seen. Books floated in midair with blank pages fluttering helplessly. The chalkboard rippled like water whenever anyone tried to write on it, and homework assignments kept vanishing in puffs of sparkly smoke. The children zoomed around in distress, dropping sprinkles of frustrated magic everywhere they went. A wise old teacher with silver hair approached Emily, explaining that their classroom had lost its learning magic when the enchanted bell disappeared. Without it, the children couldn't focus their magical energy to learn or remember their lessons. Emily noticed how the children's usual bright glow had dimmed to a worried flicker, and she knew she had to help. Rather than trying to teach the traditional way, Emily remembered how her own teacher made learning into a game. She gathered the children together and turned their search for the bell into an educational adventure. She created rhyming clues about numbers and letters, helped the children solve riddles about science and history, and used their magical talents to create maps of the school. As they followed the clues, something wonderful began to happen. The children started working together, their lights growing brighter with each puzzle they solved. They discovered that even without the enchanted bell, they could learn by helping each other and making the lessons fun. Emily watched with joy as the children's natural curiosity and creativity began to shine through. Finally, their journey led them to the school's garden, where they found the bell hidden inside a crystal flower. But when they rang it, they realized something even more magical had happened. The bell's chime now carried the sound of laughter and friendship, making its magic stronger than ever before. The blank books filled with colorful stories, the chalkboard settled into a smooth writing surface, and the homework reappeared, decorated with stickers of encouragement. The wise old teacher explained that Emily had taught them the most important lesson of all, that true learning magic comes from the joy of discovery and the power of working together. The children had learned not just their lessons, but how to believe in themselves and each other. As the portal shimmered open to take her home, Emily looked back at her first classroom. The children were gathered around their books, their lights twinkling brightly as they shared stories and solved problems together. She knew that teaching wasn't just about having all the answers. It was about helping others find the magic of learning for themselves. Back in Miss Taylor's classroom, Emily noticed her pencils were now sprinkled with a hint of magical sparkles. She smiled, knowing that someday she would have a classroom of her own, where every lesson would be an adventure, and every student would discover their own special kind of magic.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.